Now let's deal with small numbers. So small numbers, so we have a question. Uh, it's write these numbers in standard form. So we have a small number and we will write this as a standard form. Write these numbers in standard form. So we have question number A. It's 0.000 with five zeros, 0.0000 with 3. So now solve this in a standard form, convert this into a standard form. So how we will convert this is in an easy way, So when you will move our decimal towards the right side, so our the power of a into 10 raised to power n will become a negative. Why? It's like this. So when you are converting this into a standard form, you are basically dividing this number with 10. So we are dividing with 10 and multiplying with the 10. So the 10 which is in a numerator, you will multiply with this number now. So when we multiply this number, so our point will move towards left side now. So it will become like 0.0000 and with 0 and 3. So the 10 which is the 10 which is in a denominator, it will become converted into 10 raised to power -1. So similarly 0.000 and 0.3 will be multiplied with 10 and divided with 10. It's like this. So you can cancel the 10 with 10 and you will get the same result. So the number which is in the numerator, which will multiply with this 0.0003, so it will convert this into 0.000 and 3. It's like the point is moving towards the towards this side, the right side. So the 10 which is in a numerator, it will convert it into 10 raised to power -1 or 10 raised to -1. So similar logic will follow. So 0.0003 divided with 10 into 10 into 10 raised to -1, 10 raised to -1. So the 10 which is in a numerator, which will multiply with this our number, so we will get 0.00 and 3. So the 10 which is in a denominator, it will written like this: 10 raised to -1, 10 raised to -1 10 raised to negative 1. So here you are seeing, you can see easily the power. We can add these now. So let's add these now. 0.003. So when you will add these negative ones, so minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, so you will get negative 3. So but our number is not in a standard form. Let's convert it now. So when you are moving the point towards 3, we are getting 10, the negative 10 raised to the negative integer with that negative integer. So when we will move the decimal towards the 3 decimal places towards right side, so we will get 10 raised to minus 3 and the 10 raised to negative 3. So we will get 3 into 10 raised to, so our bases are same, we can add these now. So 3 into 10 raised to minus 6, or you can write it 3 into 10 raised to minus 6. So you can see here the number was this 0.000 and 003. So the logic which gave this number standard form in a standard form, easily we can do it any number with the moving the decimal point towards right side now. So how many places we will move this now? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we will get 3 into 10 raised to negative 6. So this is our standard form, because a into 10 raised to n, where n is an integer. So you should remember n belongs to the integer and a is between 1 and 10, not included 10. But you can also, if there is just a 10, but in a way you always write as a, when there is just 10, you can write it like this, 1 into 10. But this is in a standard form now. You can see this is in a standard form. So this was the logic now. So we have a next example. So example 8.2, it's a part B. It says 0.0000056. So the solution for this is like a similar now. When you move the point, the decimal towards right side, so our a into 10 raised to power n is a negative number now, become a negative. So how many places you will move, this will decide what will become our n. So 0.0000056. So move this decimal towards right side now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this will become 5.6 into 10 raised to power minus 5. So next we have a part C. What part C says is this 0.00000 0 and 7 and 2 and 6. So solution for this is also similar. So write this number 0.0000726. So move this decimal towards right side and increase the power of a 10 in a negative way, negative integer. So 1 place, 2, 3, 4, 4. So here we got how many places? 4 places. 7.26 into 10 raised to power negative 4. We will not move the decimal towards 72.6. No, 72.6 is not a is less than or less than or equals to 1. Sorry, greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to 10. So this is a is greater than equals to 1 and less than 10. So we will write 7.26, which is in between this. So this is in a standard form. So this is in a standard form, and this is written like a into 10 raised to power n. So standard form. So that was just an example for small numbers and large numbers. Now we will do some exercise questions. Then we will do, in the last we will do the review of exercise with the past papers.